So guys, let's start to make this DIY paper flower. To make this you need color sheets. I have taken white, yellow and green, then glue, scissors, a stick, thin sticks. I have taken broomstick here and then hot glue gun. So let's start. First take the white sheet and fold it into half. So take the half sheet, fold it like this and then make small cuts. Make small thin cuts like this. So here. Take glue. Stick these two halves together. Take small piece of yellow sheet and do the same. Let's take a green sheet, then a broomstick or any thin stick. Apply enough glue and then start to fold it like this. Fold it tightly. Now take hot glue. Here it is. Now we add sepals. So here we have sepals. So here the flower is ready. Yay! It's very easy and fun to make. Give it a try and let me know how was it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe and leave your lovely comments in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Parent Creations for more videos. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.